Hey guys, hope you're doing good, and today I will tell you that how super important it is to be happy in this life. Guys, see, we all go through the sadness, but it's the law of the nature that to profit through loss, to profit through loss. So we need to enjoy each and every stage of your life. There will come sadness, you will have that no happy moments, but you need to be happy for it. And I will tell you why. Because see, if it is not gonna matter after 5 years, don't spend more than 5 minutes on it. Like if there are some incidents which are putting you in sadness, don't spend much than 5 minutes on it. If it is not gonna matter after 5 years. This is the rule to stay happy in your life. And I will tell you why it is important to stay happy all the time. We got only one life, guys, and if we spend more time on being sad and being setting that boundaries that I will be happy only when I get good results, only when I'm successful, then it's absolutely wrong. I used to do the same when I was in school and college days. Like I used to set that boundaries that if I get good marks only then I will be happy. If I get cleared all the exams in my semesters only then I will be happy. If I cleared a job, like if I cleared the interview for getting a job only then I will be happy. This is absolutely wrong, guys. We need not to set any boundaries to be happy. We need to love that process. And as I told you, it's the law of nature that to profit through loss. So loss as in there will be some sad moments, but don't spend more than 5 minutes on it if it is not gonna matter after 5 years. And guys, if you ask me like no Vikram, how to be happy when we are sad? So I will tell you this, guys, every single person on this planet is genius. I repeat, every single person on this planet is genius. We will find some or the other way to overcome that sadness. So don't worry about being sad and spending all the time thinking about the sadness. There will be time where you will have that sadness, but we are all genius. We will find some or the other way and we will overcome it. So don't set any boundaries like I will be happy only when I'm successful. No, enjoy the process and love that process, and spend all the time in just being happy. It's the golden rule of getting successful, guys. You just need to be happy to get that big success. And guys, I would like to tell you this, that happiness is not destination, it's the journey. It's the journey where you need to be happy all the time. And if you ask me how to be happy, I told you that even in the sad moments, don't spend much than 5 minutes thinking about it if it's not gonna matter after 5 years. So that's the key, guys. Stay happy. Don't set that boundaries that I will be happy only when I get the results. I will be happy only when I become successful. No. Try to be happy. Love that process. Love that guidance, what you're doing. And we all are genius where we will find some or the other way to overcome all this sadness. So that's the key, guys. Be happy, stay happy, and spend all the time in being happy. Even if there are sadness, just figure it out the way how to overcome it, and don't spend much of the time. Try staying happy, and happiness is journey, not a destination. Don't set that boundaries. I hope you love this video, and please hit a like, please subscribe, and please share with your friends if you love this video. Thank you so much.